about how can you fix this problem on your Pulse app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps. Come to apps list here, enter you're looking for Pulse app, or just click here on search. Then here add Pulse app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Click here on force stop. Then you click here on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do now, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then here you search for Bolt app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like